Our flagship product and the product that we first launched with is a cold brew coffee. Came around a solution of a nano emulsion, which allows the cannabis to stay completely homogeneous throughout the entire product, incredibly stable, and you know that that very, very first sip of our product is the exact same potency as the very last.
The whole team has really leaned in to make sure that throughout the research and development phase of bringing these products to market, that we really had, their support in working in this new medium. We built out standard operating procedures so that if we have shifts within our staffing, everybody is going to be able to pick up the process.
Ease of use is huge. If the emulsion process is a multi-day process for me as a manufacturer, then that's just going to completely eat into my business. So having something that I can quickly mix and integrate into my product and then still be able to continue on with my production, then that's just hugely beneficial to me as a company.
I'll be totally honest and say that we tried a range of other vendors and it was kind of a start-stop process where we weren't finding consistency. This is a new ingredient for a lot of producers to work with, and you need a dosage that's going to be consistent with each pour.
With the new regulations, we have to test every single batch of product that we do, so the amount of cannabis that's in my product is exactly what I say that it is. That was the other big thing that we were solving. Since working with them, I have never had to relabel my product with a different potency.
The whole team have been so helpful. They have been to this kitchen. You need a partner that's going to work with you to figure out the right taste profile.
It was really, really important to us that really the flavor of the coffee was king. We've spent years on this process getting it exactly where it needs to be so that when you pick it up and you drink it, not only are you having an experience with cannabis, but to anyone who's actually using our product, it just tastes like a delicious cup of coffee.